Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, February 24, 2023. The National Export-Import Exim Bank of Jamaica is making it easier for small and medium-sized business operators to procure solar energy solutions and reduce their energy costs. The institution launched its solar energy loan facility on Thursday. Managing Director Lisa Bell says it offers businesses an opportunity to reduce their carbon footprint and improve competitiveness.
The cost of electricity continues to rise, and we have heard the cry of our clients in the context of how much this contributes to their expense and those line items. So we've sought to create a new product that would help small and medium-sized manufacturers, businesses to reduce that footprint and to reduce their cost.
General Manager for the bank's Trade and Commercial Lending Division, Winston Lawson, says borrowers can secure a minimum of $5 million and up to $50 million at an interest rate of 7.5%. The loan will fund up to 85% of businesses' total costs to acquire and install appropriate solar equipment.
Now, with respect to the collateral, yes, we will accept the panels and the equipment to cover the loan with an applicable margin of 60% on the new equipment.
For businesses seeking to borrow up to $15 million, Exim Bank will accept documentation for management accounts along with cash flows, notes, and assumptions. Audited statements and cash flow documentation is required for loans exceeding $15 million. Those over $40 million will need an energy audit from a registered energy auditor. Mr. Lawson says the loan is non-revolving and a secured product that can go up to 7 years. Jamaica has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the city of Malaga in Spain to collaborate on strengthening tourism development and innovation. The MOU was signed at the recent Global Tourism Resilience Conference. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says this is the first agreement to be signed with a European city.
The communique envisages a partnership in human capital development now from a certification and the building of what we in Jamaica call stackable credentials in the industry. And the purpose of enabling that stackable credential is to change the labor market arrangements in tourism here. We are based on equity and merit. Our workers of the industry must find their place.
Minister Bartlett adds that the engagement will also bolster the work of the tourism incubator to drive innovation in Jamaica. Deputy Mayor of Malaga, Jacobo Florido Gomez, says his city looks forward to the partnership.
We want to share our best practices each other. No? This is the reason we are signing this agreement. We want to share our gastronomy, culture.
The city of Malaga will host the next Global Tourism Resilience Conference in 2024. Government will be investing $159 million to implement Phase 2 of the Education System Transformation Program, ESTP, in the upcoming fiscal year. The capital project is outlined in the recently tabled estimates of expenditure for fiscal year 2023-2024. It is being implemented by the National Education Trust Limited to advance the modernization of Jamaica's education sector while enhancing previous initiatives. Major targets include improving the management of school plants, human and capital resources, and student outcomes by 2025-2026. Among other things, this will involve constructing 6 new STEAM academies and 1 visual and performing arts secondary level institution by 2028-2029. The education ICT infrastructure is also being enhanced to meet the needs of the ministry and its institutions and provide access for educators and students.
We've spent, as a government, quite a bit of resources ensuring that our students have devices, that all our schools across Jamaica have adequate connectivity.
The project, which began in April 2022, is to conclude in March 2030. During the 2023-24 fiscal year, targets include carrying out geotechnical studies and other assessments for STEAM schools and drafting a legal and government framework for these institutions. Codified building standards will also be developed for schools incorporating green building strategies. Government has earmarked $530 million for continued modernization of the University Hospital of the West Indies, UHWI. The funds, which are earmarked for the 2023-24 financial year, will be used to begin rerouting the university's ring road and completing construction of a new car park. It will also fund designs for the upgrading of the electrical grid, potable water supply, sewage network, and the information communication technology (ICT) infrastructure. Under the major hospital redevelopment project, a new 6-floor tower will be constructed at the UHWI. This will feature 58 additional bed spaces, 35 neonatal cots, and 7 operating theaters, along with medical equipment. Up to the end of December 2022, funds provided under the project enabled the design of the tower and other critical works. And finally, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport has launched a social media campaign promoting the Jamaican language during Lent. The campaign, which began on Ash Wednesday, will feature daily readings from the Patois Bible called the Jamaican New Testament. Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange says the campaign is part of the ministry's celebration and promotion of every aspect of Jamaican culture. The announcement of the campaign came on International Mother Language Day, which is celebrated annually on February 21. Commenting on the importance of preserving our mother language, Minister Grange says Patois is an important part of the Jamaican identity and must be promoted, celebrated, and used in ways that inspire confidence and pride among our people. The ministry received guidance from Love and Faith World Outreach Ministries in selecting the scriptures that will be published during the 40 days of Lent. The scripture readings will air primarily on the ministry's social media pages. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.